Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another quick unboxing for you. This watch I will be reviewing this coming weekend on the channel, and looking forward to it. Been really wanting to get this one for a bit, and I got it. So without further ado, let's crack it open. Leatherman Surge, amazing tool. That's what I'll be using yet again for this one. So this one is one of my favorite brands. There's no question about it. And let me just slide it out of the bag here, and you can see, dun dun dun, Pagani Design. And nothing else in there. Oh, it did come. Okay, so I've got the rubber strap for it. Actually feels pretty decent, and this is what I'm likely going to be putting on the watch. It's got quick release pins in it as well, so that's good. And just a quick unboxing. Of course, Pagani Design comes standard with the little booklet, card, cleaning cloth. But here is the watch, guys, and classic Submariner. This one is in 40 mil, and boy is it just looking beautiful. I do plan on wearing it on this black rubber strap. Gonna be a watch I rock at the beach. Isn't that just gorgeous? Can't wait to wear it for the rest of this week, do a full review on it. Yeah, I got this for just over $100, I think $110, and that included the extra strap. So amazing deal. Just get up closer. It's not running yet. Automatic movement in there, sapphire crystal covering the dial. Just a beautiful, oh my goodness, beautiful watch. Going to be wearing it for a couple days. Full review on the channel coming up this weekend. Be sure to check it out. I'll take the plastic off, show you a quick wrist shot, and then we'll see you later on this weekend for the full review. And here's the wrist shot for this one. I didn't bother taking the links out of this yet because I am going to put it on that rubber strap, but this is absolutely beautiful. Noticed one improvement already with this newer model. It's the 40 millimeter, not the 43 millimeter. And so I did notice one improvement and one little bit of a concern. Stay tuned. The review will be coming up this weekend.